Hi, my name is Rakshit Bolar. I am the sales director for a company in Africa, and we use basically we are in the BFSI space, which is banking and financial industry, and primarily we deal with microfinances, we deal with banks, we deal with financial institutions, and the government for e-government payments. So we are basically a software company that provides solutions for agency banking, branches banking, e-governance, principally to do with receipts and payments. So receipts can be, you might be wanting to repay a loan, you might be wanting to pay a business license fee for the government or renew your driving license or a passport fees. And payments typically can be you are disbursing a loan, the bank is disbursing a loan, and therefore you go to an agent, you swipe your card, identify yourself with a biometric or with an iris scan or with a voice recognition now, and then you are able to either take the loan or get a cash through an agent of the bank. So that's what's all about. And the biggest challenge for a software company is how do you deliver the last mile, because the last mile where the rubber meets the road is where you require a device. Otherwise you can do without a device. So this is where we partner with companies like Evolute who offer these devices. These are typically, they can be tablets, they can be POSs, they can be handheld, what is called as MPOS. Multiple kind of devices are used to make these kind of payments. Right. So one of the challenges as a software company we had is we had to select the right vendor to collaborate with us. We looked through a lot of vendors, saw a lot of demos, and we found the Evolute team was really interested. They were willing to take a risk in some of those areas, willing to, like for example, do a proof of concept on this and show that their solution is working. The other part was also, because this was also an offline transaction, a lot of the data had to be carried on the device. So the device had to have enough memory. Obviously, it's going to villages or in tough jeeps because the landscape is this. So it had to be a very sturdy device. And of course state-of-the-art technology. And so we found, when we did a validation, we found Evolute to be the ideal partner. You see, the good part about Evolute is that one of the key drivers in today's world is innovation. The thing is, either you innovate or you perish. Evolute has been investing a lot of money on innovation. They have voice recognition, they have face recognition, they have iris recognition, they have biometric. A whole range of security ecosystem is available to validate the customer. Because the customer is remote and may not be directly in touch with the bank, therefore this becomes very important. Again, very rugged, high quality devices that the failure rates are low. And so I do believe that, and they also have a solutions team. It's Visa and MasterCard certified. So I believe that all this really helps for the client of Evolute to sort of future-proof their requirement, and they know that if they invest in an Evolute device, they're in it for 5-7 years. They are pretty well sorted. So I do believe that it's a strong company technologically to partner with, and that's one of the reasons we partnered with them. Thank you. It was my pleasure.